Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Pisces. And I also have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that reading, guys. So that will follow this general reading. So we have Wheel of Fortune in reverse, World, and Five of Wands in reverse. So Pisces, with these cards in your situation, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, guys. Pisces, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are working really hard today, guys. Maybe some kind of maybe you are making lot of efforts and there are people maybe contradicting your ideas or your vision. They have their own ideas and they have their own belief, so they are trying to control you in some ways, trick you into some decisions today. So you need to be really careful, guys, with those people. It may be someone from your career situation, or it may be a circumstance in your personal life. So some kind of some kind of stress or worries are there today for you in your situation, guys. And no matter what your situation is, guys, you are really successful. Things are going in a very fortunate way for you. You are seeing success in your career or in the same way in your personal life. And maybe for some of you, you are planning to move to a different place or a different city for work, or it may be just maybe you are taking a holiday, or it may be you are moving away from this person, maybe taking a break from this relationship. You are having some confusion or stress, guys. It may be in your career or personal life. So let's see what is the card for your career relationship first, guys. For your relationship first, we have, and I also see that whatever difficulties that you're facing, guys, it may turn out to be something positive, benefiting you. Maybe people are working against you, they are complaining or making some contradictions in your work, or it may be in your personal life, but whatever they try to do, it is ending up as something good for you, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Empress in reverse. So with this card, it just means that you have learned some truth about this love, guys. So whatever was not clear, it is coming to your knowledge, and you know what is the reason for things happening in a particular way in your career, in your relationship, guys. In your relationship. So the truth behind those circumstances or the truth of that person you love. So you have that clarity today, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Five of Swords. So with this card in your career situation. You are facing lot of competition and things are not going as expected, but you are someone who has that talent and skill, guys. So I feel you will be able to overcome all those troubles you are facing in your situation, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you are interested, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is this card for y'all, guys. The first card, the human gift. So this card comes with a special guidance, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your circumstance today. In the past, maybe certain circumstances it was not clear and you did not know what to do or what is the reason for that situation or what is happening or what happened in that particular situation. You do not have any knowledge. But today you are seeing things clearly. You have that insight, the truth behind the circumstance, guys, and what has happened. And it is simply shocking you. What you perceive today is simply revealing the truth, truly shocking for you. And you are feeling some kind of wonder, or you feel that you cannot believe yourself for thinking certain things, but what is right in front of you is something totally different, guys. And you are to trust your perception, the way you see your situation. And maybe what you perceive may be something dark, something not right, or something bad, but you should not judge that circumstance or judge that situation. So you need to see that circumstance or that person as it is, truthfully, with that compassion in your heart, and you will be shown the very graceful way to come out of that difficult situation. Free yourself from that darkness from within and without, and from your situation, from your circumstance, guys. So you need to be really compassionate and graceful when you perceive the truth today, maybe of some circumstance or some person. So if you have that compassion is going to help you out of this difficult situation, guys, in your life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. I will keep this card here. So the second card, let's see what is this card. So it is Puss in Boots. That is the card for y'all. So this card just means that you need to be really intelligent, charming, and using your wits and talents to make things go for you, guys. And you need to be really clever, and you need to be diplomatic in situations, certain situations, what needs your diplomacy. And in certain situations you should use your charming skills, your talents of persuasion to proceed in the right way. So, whatever opportunities you are seeing today, maybe in love, whatever you need, you should try to use each and every opportunity, guys. And for some of you, there is a friend who is clever, who is really talented, and who is really guiding you with their intelligence. So, if you have someone like that, you need to use that person's advice, guys. So, that may help you a lot today. And I also see that you should not waste any opportunity. So you should go forward, grab those opportunities, whatever you are having, and try to work things out. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. And you, whatever behavior is the appropriate ones, maybe sometimes you need to be diplomatic, and sometimes you need to be strong, hold on to your views, and be maybe try to persuade the other person to follow certain things. So when your situation calls for that behavior, you should go for that. So handle any situation with that skill and talent, so that way you will be really successful, guys, in your relationship and in your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.